This is a short video, but an important one because I believe firmly that you need to have your protectors in place before you start your home buying journey. And by protectors, I mean these essential professionals whose job it is not only to support you, but to protect you from making a mistake. And so ordinarily, I would be the buyer's agent who would be one of the home buyers team of professionals who protect their purchase. In this case, it's you though. You're your own buyer's agent. And so a buyer's agent offers a range of services to assist home buyers with due diligence. They help identify suitable properties, including off market listings, and conduct thorough market research to inform your decisions. You will be doing this for yourself. Buyer's agents arrange and conduct property inspections, provide advice on zoning laws and future development plans, and evaluate the neighbourhood for factors like crime rates and amenities. And so, you being your own buyer's agent, the purpose of this course is to teach you how to do that. And it's not far fetched. It'll be something that will come naturally to you after you've put into practice the things that you're learning by going to a couple of open homes and talking to a couple of real estate agents. You'll actually see that that confidence will start to build and you'll see all of the pieces fall into place and you'll feel that inner calm that comes with knowledge. And so in this case, you're the buyer's agent. I wanted to get that clear. There are, however, other professionals whose job it is to protect you. The main two are your conveyancer and your building and pest inspectors. There are other inspectors and investigators that you may hire when the need arises, but these are the ones you can't do without. And so we will go into more detail. The building and pest inspectors, they play a crucial role in the home buying process by thoroughly examining properties for structural integrity and pest infestations. They're looking for water leaks, moisture penetration, anything that could be a real red flag for you. They conduct detailed inspections to identify any defects or issues, such as cracks in the foundation, water damage, or termite activity. Using tools like thermal imaging and moisture meters, they assess the condition of the property from the roof to the foundations. After the inspection, they provide a comprehensive report outlining any problems found along with recommendations for repairs or treatments. Now, we obviously, I've got a full video on building and pest inspectors and termites and that sort of thing. There's plenty more information further in this course, but I want you to realize that at the beginning, I'm asking you to think about these professionals before you find your dream home that you want to purchase. Finding your dream home at an open inspection and realizing you've got to put an offer in next week is not the time to go start looking for building and pest inspectors or conveyancers. You need to have looked for and sourced those professionals in advance so that you know you've got a solid team who is reliable and they've got your back. So on that note, solicitors and conveyancers will handle the legal aspects of the property transaction. They prepare and review contracts, conduct title searches, and ensure compliance with local laws and regulations. Their expertise ensures a smooth and legally sound transaction, protecting you throughout the process. That is just one paragraph that talks about what conveyancers do. Oh my goodness. So it's great to find and source your conveyancer at the beginning of your journey because a good conveyancer will have information to impart to you before you step out and start looking at homes. They will be starting to educate you from day one. The time to meet your conveyancer is not when you've got a contract signed. They can't educate you on anything then. And so the time to look for a building and pest inspector is not when you found your home either. A real reason for that is they're difficult to come by. With building and pest inspectors, I actually say that you really should have 2 or 3 up your sleeve because it might be that you are in a bit of a rush and the first choice may not be available when you need them to inspect your home. And obviously, we've got a lot more information on solicitors, conveyancers, and building and pest inspectors in this course. But this video here is to I implore you to please start looking for these professionals early in the piece, immediately. As soon as you've got your mortgage broker selected, go straight to finding your conveyancer, go straight to finding some building and pest inspectors that will be available for you throughout your journey. And if you have any questions as to why you don't understand why it's important to find them early, please ask me and I will explain until the cows come home. Because I don't want you finding a lousy conveyancer, because they are out there, just as like there are lousy tradesmen and the tradespeople, and there are lousy hairdressers, there are lousy conveyancers. And so it's important to take the time to find good quality professionals who will protect you and support you in your purchase. Thanks for listening. I'll get off my soapbox now.